It's over. Everybody leaving to the streets. Yeah. Turn that car on. Music started playing. What's up? What's happening, y'all? Today I have another DIY for you, and I am going to attempt to make a hair bonnet. Yeah, you heard me, a hair bonnet. This is the first time making it. Okay, this is the first time making it, so you guys bear with me. Alright, bear with your girl. Alright, so what we're gonna need is, we're gonna need a piece of cloth big enough to make your bonnet. See this beautiful piece of floral cloth? This is a little stretchy. Normally I wouldn't use a stretchy material, but you know, you work with what you got. Alright? And what I'm gonna do is I am going to get this pot cover here. Yes, this pot cover is very big, and I'm gonna try to mark around it so that I can make the hair bonnet. Okay, and this hair bonnet should be for like a little child, so let's see how that's gonna go. So what I'm doing is I'm practically just marking around it because, you know, I want it to be roomy, so I'm just attempting to not do the exact roundness of the circle, just attempting to do around the pot cover so that I will have enough space for the hair, for the head, you know, and for the hairstyle and everything. So I'm just attempting to like mark like around it, like give a little outline of around the cover. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm cutting around the outline, and I actually have the cloth relaxed because, as I said, it's stretchy, and I don't want to have the wrong measurements, you know, for the cloth. So it's relaxed, and I'm just cutting around the outline where I outline with a pencil. So as you can see, I used my trusty old pot cover I had for like what, 100 years. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna like sew around the edges. And this cloth is so good, it's so good to sew around the edges because with jersey material it doesn't fray, you know. So what I'm gonna do to sew this, I'm gonna use my some yarn, some really strong yarn thread, because you know it's stretchy, and I don't want, like, when it's stretched, you know, it's easily broken. So I'm just gonna attempt to sew around the edges. Try to make small in and out. This is going to be done all around the cloth, and we're not going to pull on it too hard. We're just going to keep it relaxed and try to sew around the edges. Okay, guys? So here I go. And I'm trying to make this like extra roomy. Please don't tangle thread, please. I'm going to do this over because I don't like how it's looking. Here we go. So I'm trying again with really, really small stitches. Really, really small stitches. because you want to make this not too visible, you know. You don't want to make this visible, so your girl is hard at work, stitching. Note to self, next time I need to find a nice piece of thread to match this material, you know. And I'm doing it. This is for all the gals who don't have a sewing machine and you have all the time in the world in your hands right now because you're home. Hey, make yourself your own bonnet, you know? Yeah. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Or you could buy from me. Hey. I gotta put that in. You can buy from me also. Okay, guys? But I'm showing you the dealio. This is the stitching on this side, you know? Not too bad, not too shabby. So I'm going, still going. So here I go, still sewing it, guys. And you guys don't come for me for my pot cover today, huh? I know you guys saw that pot cover. You was like, oh my gosh, that pot cover seen a lot of hard times. Do not come for me with my pot cover, please. Alright? Be nice to your girl. Be nice to your girl. Okay? Hope you guys are doing awesome on this beautiful Wednesday. Sometimes, you know, the quarantine had me forgetting the days, man. Locked up. I'm like Akon, man. Locked up, won't let me out. I know you guys don't want me to start singing for you guys, right? I'm locked up, they won't let me out. So I gotta make my twisted. I'm locked up, Corona won't let me out. Corona won't let me out, no. Corona won't let me out. You like that, guys? Woo! So I'm still sewing around, guys. Still sewing around. And I'll give you the measurements of this material after. I'll give you the measurements, okay? So you'll have a little idea of how big my pot cover my pot cover was. Okay? So the thing I hate most of all is when the thread does this sometimes when you're sewing. This is the most annoying thing ever. But I'm back again. Okay, so I'm still going, so it's gonna go all around. See, guys? My not so pro sewing. I'm almost there. Almost there. So I'm finally on the last bit, guys. It's the last of this. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna measure some elastic. I left a little opening here. So when I run the needle through, not the needle, the my safety pin through, you know, it will come to the other side, and I'll be able to tie and fasten my my elastic. So I'm just tying off the excess, cutting off the excess with my 99-cent scissors I bought on Jamaica Avenue. It's holding up. It is doing its job. I am so proud of it. Yeah! 3 cheers! Yay! 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 So you see, guys, not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm not the best in stitching stuff, and plus the cloth is really stretchy. So when I sew it, and you know when you sew stretchy with a straight stitch, you know how that is. You know, it's you more need to like sew stretchy with a zigzag a zigzag stitch, but your girl ain't no machine, okay? So your girl just did what she did. So this is 19 inches. 19 inches. Okay, guys, this is 19 inches. Let me measure again. 19 inches relaxed. Alright, 19 inches, guys. Alright. So the next step is we're gonna get some elastic. So I have my trusty elastic here, and I think I should at least, since it's 19 inches, I think I should cut my elastic at least, I will say at least 9 inches, or I will say I'll do it, do my elastic, I'm thinking, because I'm making it for my daughter, but you never know. I might be able to steal a little wear out of it, let's see. So I'm gonna like cut this elastic like 15 inches. Alright, and let's see how that's gonna work out, okay? Alright, let's see that. So I changed my mind and I just cut a bigger size, like 18, let's see, 18 inches, you know? So I just don't want to do it too, when I saw the stretchiness of the elastic, I was like, nah. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get my trusty pin. And I'm going to find the opening in it. And I'm just going to run it around. See right here? Find the opening. And just run it. Okay, found the opening, and I'm going to just run it in around with a pin. And I cut it big for a reason, the elastic, just in case, you know. You know, when you run this around, let's see how that go. Just going by ear right now. Okay. So you just run it around and around to make your bonnet. Okay. So you see how it's gathering, guys? I'm running it around and it's gathering. Huh. I might be onto something here, guys. I might be onto something here. It's my first time sharing my bonnet making with you guys. And this I'm making it for my baby girl. Instead of going out and buying one, made my own, you know. So here I go. Okay. I'm almost at the end of it, guys. So you guys comment down below. Let me know if it's a fail or was I successful. Let me know, guys. Let me know. So I'm pulling out the elastic through the other side. And since I know my daughter here is a little smaller, I'm just gonna like measure it to suit. So you see how it gather up, guys, and it looks all alright. Let me know, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if I did a good job, if I passed, if I failed. I don't want it too slack and I don't want it too tight. So, you know, I like measured it by ear and I'm just following to suit. See what I'm doing here now? I'm like gonna knot, or I should knot it like this, because this way is gonna be better instead of doing it that way. And I'm gonna knot it more than once. Oops. Knot it more than once. Voila! Voila! Turn to the back a little bit. No machine needed. Okay? And it's roomy, it's big enough. Okay? Thank you. Much love to you.